Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Exercise number 7 and 8 for Punjab and Haryana High Court, 840 words, 80 word per minute. So be ready, start. After we made order on 11th September 1990, we had appealed to counsel and those who were in the court room to take note of the fact that the dispute has now come to the apex court and it is necessary that parties and the people who were agitating over this question should maintain a disciplined posture and create an atmosphere where the question can be dispassionately decided by this court. There is no justification to be panicky over any situation, and if anyone's rights are prejudiced in any matter, certainly relief would be available at the appropriate stage, and nothing can happen in between which would deter this court from exercising its power in an effective manner. Para. Be that as it may, sitting as a judge, one cannot be swayed either way while interpreting the constitutional provisions pertaining to the issues under controversy by the mere reflexes of the opinion of any section of the people or by the turbulence created in the society or by the emotions of the day, because nothing inflicts a deeper wound on our constitution than in interpreting preceding it running our of control regardless of human rights and dignity. Para. We are very much alive to the fact that the issues with which we are now facing are hypersensitive, highly explosive, and extremely delicate. Therefore, the permissible judicial creativity in tune with the constitutional objectivity is essential to the interpretation of the constitutional provisions so that the dominant values may be discovered and enforced. At the same time, one has to be very cautious and careful in approaching the issues in a very pragmatic and realistic manner. Para. Part 3 dealing with fundamental rights and Part 4 dealing with directive principles of state policy which represent the core of the Indian Constitution philosophy envisages the methodology for removal of history, injustice, and inequalities either inherited or artificially created, and social and economic disparity, and ultimately for achieving an egalitarian society in terms of the basic structure of our constitution as spelled out by the preamble. Stop. Though all men and women created by the Almighty, whether orthodox or heterodox, whether theist or atheist, whether born in the highest class or lowest class, whether belong to A religion or B religion, are biologically same, having same purity of blood. In a Hindu society, they are divided into a number of distinct sections and subsections known as castes and subcastes. The second category is where the defalant put up a construction of his own land, but that construction interferes with certain legal right vesting in the plaintiff or interferes with any enjoyment by the plaintiff of his own property. It may happen that the plaintiff has a right of way over a piece of land and the defendant causes obstruction to the same, or the plaintiff's ancient right to light and air interfered with by the defendant putting up a wall on his own land. Equally, that the plaintiff's right to support is sought to be removed or taken by some act on the part of the defendant, or again some other right of easement which the plaintiff has is sought to be interfered with by the act on the part of the defendant. In all these cases, the primary relief which the plaintiff can have in a sum instituted by him is the mandatory injunction directing the defendant to remove the construction put up by him, and the prayer for mandatory injunction in such a suit is ancillary nor incidental, but that is the only manner in which the injury suffered by the plaintiff can be remedied or rectified. Stop. Next. Such suits can be very properly described as suits for injunction, as suits for function, as distinguished from the first category, name suits in ejectment or for possession based on trespass or encouragement on the part of the defendant. Stop. Where the primary relief claimed is a mandatory injunction and the injunction having been originally an equitable relief and subsequently the ground thereof being in the discretion of the court, it is certainly open to the court to see whether the plaintiff could be adequately compensated by the award of damages, and whether there are other circumstances present in the case to justify the award of damages to the plaintiff instead of granting a mandatory injunction having been originally an equitable relief and subsequently the grant thereof being in the discretion of the court. It is certainly open to the court to see whether the plaintiff could be adequately compensated the award of damages, and whether there and other circumstances present in the case of justify the award of damages. Comes to the conditions that the injuries suffered by the plaintiff cannot be adequately compensated by the damages, the court cannot escape from its obligation to grant a mandatory injunction so as to give relief to the plaintiff. Full stop. स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट की डेट कभी भी आ सकती है। आपको सिर्फ 10 से लेकर 15 दिन का टाइम लगेगा। कुछ बच्चे सोचते हैं कि 1 महीना देंगे, 2 महीना देंगे, ऐसा कोई इशू नहीं है। आपको 10 से लेकर 15 दिन का टाइम लगेगा। इसलिए आप जितनी डिक्टेशन लिख सकते हो लिखो, और जितना आप फोकस रीडिंग में करोगे उतना ही फोकस आपको टाइप में करना है। अगर टाइप अच्छी नहीं होगी तो उसका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं आपका डिक्टेशन लिखने का। आप इसको डिक्टेशन को लिखो और अपना सिलेक्शन हो। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।